Hello, my dear students. As usual, we are on the verge of completion of numericals on chemical equilibrium. Today, we are going to discuss four interesting numericals on chemical equilibrium, especially the second part of chemical equilibrium where acids, bases, salts part is there. Okay. So with this, I welcome you all for today's session on what? On problems on numericals of the last chapter, chemical equilibrium. Okay, all right. Assuming complete dissociation. This you have to presume. They dissociate completely. What kind of chemicals will dissociate completely? Strong electrolyte. Okay. Calculate the pH of the following solutions. First one is 0.003 m SCl. Second is 0.005 m NaOH. And the third one is 0.002 m HBr. And the fourth one is 0.002 m QOH. Okay, let's take the first one. 0.003 m SCl. When dissociates, okay, into completely means what? That means SCl is dissociating means what? It dissociates into what? Protons. Okay, so uh, 1 mole to 1 mole. Therefore, whatever concentration of the HCl is here, that is taken for the H plus. Okay, so therefore, I have written here concentration of the H plus is nothing but what? It is the concentration of what? HCl. It has dissociated completely now into H plus. Okay, all right. How much we have taken in the beginning? That much completely dissociated. 1 mole to 1 mole completely. What is the concentration? It is 0.003 means what? 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. This is the concentration of what? HCl as well as hydrogen ion concentration. Okay. Now, what is pH equal to? pH equal to minus log hydrogen ion concentration. So, minus log, this is the hydrogen ion concentration. Okay. So, you apply the logarithmic value log A into log B equal to log A plus log B. Log A is log 3 plus log B is what? 3 log 10. 3 log 10 is what? 3 log 10 is 1. So, it is 3. Okay. So, you subtract 3 from log 3 value by seeing the logarithmic table. The answer is what? The answer is 2.52. Now, second, NaOH dissociates into Na plus OH minus ion. Here, we don't know the hydrogen ion concentration. So, indirect route we have to find out. But, okay. Now, whatever concentration of NaOH is there, that is the concentration of what? OH minus, how we have taken here in the first case. Okay. Therefore, OH minus concentration equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. Okay. Now, we know in the chemical equilibrium that hydrogen ion concentration and the hydroxyl ion concentration equal to what? 10 to the power of minus into that is the relation equal to what? 10 to the power of minus 14. This we have learned in the ionic product of water. Okay. So OH minus into H plus equal to 10 to the power 14. So we know the OH minus ion. So what is H plus equal to 10 to the power 14 by 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 from the hydroxide ion. Okay. So after simplification, we get hydrogen ion concentration equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 12 m. Okay. Now, once you know the hydrogen ion concentration, then around we can calculate the pH value. So, pH value equal to minus log hydrogen ion concentration. So, it is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 12. Once again, you go for the 12 log 10, 12 and log 2, 0.3010. That I know from log table. So, after simplification, you will get 11.10. Sorry, 70. In the same way, for the third, HBr dissociates into what? H plus Br minus. So, whatever concentration of HBr is here, that is the H plus only. Okay, so this is the concentration of HBr that is taken as what? H because it has a dissociated completely. So, this much concentration of the what H plus is there. So, once you know directly here, no need to go for indirect method. So, pH equal to this value after simplification 2.70 is the pH value. In the same way, KOH here it dissociates the totally basic strong base OH minus. So whatever concentration of the KOH is there, that is the concentration of what? OH minus. So OH minus concentration is 0.002. That is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now using the same relation, H into OH minus equal to 10 to the power of minus 14. So H equal to what? 10 to the power minus 14 by OH minus concentration, that is given already. So after simplification, 5 into 10 to the power minus 12 is the hydrogen ion concentration that you substitute in the pH equation log. Okay, so this is log 5 plus 12 log 10. It is 12 from 12. You take out the log 5 value 0 point something. You see the 50 log value. Answer is 11.30. So these are the pH values for the 4 different samples. Okay, right. Now calculate the pH of the solution. 4 samples. First sample is what? 2 gram of TiOH or TLOH, thallium hydroxide, dissolved in water to give 2 liter of the solution. Okay, 2 gram dissolved. Okay, first you have to calculate the strength, molarity, no? So 2 gram, what is the molar concentration? You calculate first moles. 2 gram is what? Mass given by the molar mass, right? That is the number of moles dissolved in the 2 liter. Number of moles in the 2 liter is the molarity. So it is 4.52 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. Okay. So this is what? Molarity. What is there in the formula? TLOH. So whatever uh, concentration of TLOH is there, same is there for the OH minus. So this is the OH minus ion concentration. Once you know the OH minus ion concentration, we can calculate the H plus by using the same formula. H into H equal to 10 to the power minus 14. So H equal to what? 10 to the power minus 14 by OH minus. Just in the previous what example you have seen. So after simplification, H plus concentration becomes what? 2.21 into 10 to the power minus 12. That we substitute the pH formula, and after simplification using the log table, the answer is 11.66. Now coming to the second, molar concentration of CaOH twice. How much given mass? 3 by molar mass. So this becomes the number of moles. Number of moles in the how many liter? 500 ml, or in terms of liter, 0.5 half liter. Okay. So simplify 8.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 m molarity. What is this? This is the OH minus. Okay. So OH minus we came to know same formula. H plus equal to what? 10 to the power minus 14 by this concentration, that gives you what? How much answer here? It is equal to 16.22 into 10 to the power minus 3 molarity. Okay, right. Now POH equal to what? Here he has gone directly for the OH. Okay, so it is calculated using OH only, not by converting H plus. Okay, and also you can do it. So pH equal to what? When pH equal to minus log H, what is pH? So pH equal to minus log OH. So OH concentration you substitute here, that gives you 1.79. So pH equal to what? pH equal to 14 minus 1.79. In this way also you can do it. Because POH plus pH equal to what? 14. So once you know the POH, what is pH equal to? 14 minus POH. So that gives you 12.21. In the same way of NaOH. So for this particular number of moles in the liter, that gives the molarity. This is the hydroxyl concentration. So POH equal to minus log OH, that gives 1.43. So when pOH equal to 1.43, what is pH? So pH equal to 14 minus 1.43, which is equal to 12.57. Now D, 1 ml of 13.6 MSCl is diluted with water to give 1 liter of the solution. Calculate the pH. For this, we have to use the practical knowledge of M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. What is M1? 13.6 in the beginning, 13.6 with what? 1 ml. Okay, and M2 we don't know molarity, and with what? Volume 1000 1 liter, that is at 1000 ml, because both should be in the ml. Okay. So after simplification, unit M2 equal to what? 1.36 into 10 to the power minus 2 m, whose concentration HCl. So HCl contains what? Mainly H only, no? So this is the concentration of what? H. So pH equal to what? pH equal to minus log hydrogen ion concentration. So it is log 1.36 plus minus 2 log 10. So 2 log 10, log 10 is 1, 2. So from the 2 you take out 1.36, You see the log for 13 under the 6, that gives you 1.87. Okay. First, you should be perfect with the logarithm calculations. Okay, right. Otherwise, if time permits, if you join the school, I will take one direct class or one Blackboard class on the logarithm. So, plus first, you please wait for that. Okay, right. Now, the degree of ionization of 0.1 m bromoacetic acid solution is 0.132. Calculate the pH of the solution and the pKa of bromoacetic acid. Okay. So bromoacetic acid dissociates into this. Okay, right. So initial concentration, let us take it as C. So till now not dissociated. Okay. Now, if C alpha is the degree of dissociation undergone from the C moles. Okay. C according to the formula 1 mole to 1 mole 1 mole. So C mole dissociated, C mole forms here. So C alpha forms here. Okay. Right. Now we'll go for Ka. So product by the reactant. So C CC 1 C cancels here. So C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. So that is taken as C alpha square. Why 1 minus alpha is very small? Why alpha? Alpha is the degree of dissociation for the weak electrode is very small. So it is neglected. So it is taken as only 1. So directly I have taken C alpha square. So C alpha square equal to what? C. What is C here? C is concentration 0.1. What is alpha? Degree of dissociation, which is given as 0.132 here. So it's a square that gives you 1.74 into 10 to the power minus 3. What is this? This is equal to what? K equal to. When K equal to 1.74 into 10 to the power minus 3, what is pKa? pKa, pH equal to minus log H. pK equal to minus log K. So pK equal to minus log Ka. K equal to this value is substitute here. So log 1.74 and log 10 to the power minus 3 separate it using log A into B, log A plus log B. So this is the log 3, 3 log 10, 3, and take out the log 1.74, answer is 2.76. This is what? pKa. Okay, right. Now what is hydrogen concentration here? Taken as C alpha. So C equal to what? Already we know 0.1. Alpha we have calculated. Okay, 0.1 is not, it is given here. So C alpha equal to what? 1.32 into 10 to the power minus 2 molarity. Now what is pH equal to? pH equal to minus log hydrogen ion concentration, which is equal to C alpha. This much. So that I have substituted here. Okay. So therefore, once again here log 1.32 plus log 10 to the power minus 2. So 2 log 10 minus log 1.32, that gives you 1.88. Okay, right. Next question. The pH of 0.005 codeine solution is 9. This is a natural product. Okay, you learn in higher class. Is 9.95. Calculate the ionization constant and pKb value. So this is highly basic in nature. So because it is basic in nature, it will accept the H plus. Therefore, codeine in water gives, after giving H plus to this one, it becomes codeine plus H plus, then OH minus separates out. Okay. Now pH is given. How much? 9.95 already given here. Okay. Now pH equal to what? So once you know the pH, you can calculate easily pH because pH plus a pOH equal to what? 14. So pH equal to what? 14 minus a pH. So 14 minus a pH equal to 9.95. That gives you 4.05. Okay, right. Once you know the pOH, so what is pOH? pOH equal to minus log hydrogen ion, sorry, OH minus ion concentration. When pOH equal to 4.05, that means minus log OH minus concentration equal to 4.05 only. Okay, right. So log OH minus equal to what? Minus 4.05 using the log theorems. If you convert into characteristic and matrixa, it becomes bar 5.95. Or by seeing the entry log, because OH minus equal to log becomes entry log here. So OH minus equal to what? 8.913 into 10 to the power minus 5 m. So this is what? OH minus ion. Now H plus what? You have to calculate what is given here. Calculate the ionization. Okay, right. Now Kb equal to what? Kb equal to product by the reactant. Right, product by the reactant. So here this is the what? Codeine solid state. It is a concentration will not change that much, so it is omitted. So therefore OH minus by codeine. Okay, right. So what is OH minus? 2 times 8.91 into 10 to the power minus 5 square. Here it is. Okay, right. By codeine is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Here it is. Okay, in the numerical. So after simplification, we get 1.588 into 10 to the power minus 6. This is kV. When kV equal to this much, what is pkb? Pkb equal to minus log kb. So pkb equal to minus log kb. Kb equal to 1.588 into 10 to the power minus 6. So again here 6 log 10 plus 6 log 10 minus log 1.588. 6 log 10 is what? 6 only, minus what is the log 1.588? It is 0.1500. 8 and 8 you have to see the table, and after simplification you will get 5.8. So pKb value for this solution codeine equal to what? 5.8. So in this way we will use the pH value, pKa, pKb, pOH, ionic product of water. All the formula are clubbed. I told you, second point we are discussing. So all the formulae are clubbed and done. All these 4 examples. Okay. So please practice. Otherwise we will see once again. Till then, have a nice time and thank you and all.